Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Prequel Multi-Quench Gel Cream. This product retails for $18. I am so excited to try out this new gel cream formulation from Prequel. The Multi-Quench collection was deserving of this gel cream. I feel like it was very kind of anticipated. I was waiting to see when they would release one. They use a great potent blend of hydrating ingredients mixed with some balancing minerals, and I cannot wait to see how that performs for my skin. Gel moisturizers are my go-to for the summer. I'm a huge fan of Prequel's other multi-quench products, so let's see how this performs. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They utilize polyglutamic acid, glycerin, and minerals and osmolite. To check out the full ingredients, you can click the link in the description, go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. The things I'm going to be looking for include what finish does it leave, how does it work for my skin, does it break me out, and is it enough to use as a moisturizer both day and night. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm ready to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. I cannot wait to see how this gel cream performs. There have been so many gel creams I've tried. I'm a really big fan of Prequel's multi-quench collection, so this will be really a test for me. I'm gonna go ahead and take just a little bit out, very light, a little bit heavier than their other multi-quench products. This does have a light gel texture. It feels really smoothing and really nice going on the skin, but it has a soft touch. It doesn't really leave too much greasiness. Definitely a good hydrating product from what I can tell so far from the spot test. I'm so excited to try this and continue to use it. They use not only polyglutamic acid, but balancing minerals in here as well. I cannot wait to see how they perform for my skin. Instantly, it does have a cooling gel effect. This is feeling like it's going to be a wonderful primer because it has a smoothing effect to it. I love a gel moisturizer, but I really love a gel moisturizer when it doesn't leave the skin feeling like I need more. I love a water cream, and that's kind of what this is feeling like. It's a soft touch water cream, meaning it doesn't really leave too heavy of a finish. It dries down practically immediately, but has a little bit more weight to it than some gel creams, but I will say it's light on that category. It's very refreshing for the skin, kind of like a typical gel cream, and you can see there the finish is very light, a little bit dewy, but nothing too suffocating. I'm interested to see as it's drying down, it's feeling like it's leaving less and less moisture. So I will be seeing if I feel like my skin is remaining hydrated through everything. It's a good first impression. I feel like it is very lightweight moisturizer, but I will be continuing to use it to see how it performs for my skin. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I really enjoyed this gel cream for the smoothing ability that it gave my skin. Felt like it was a perfect lightweight primer and had a perfect water gel cream texture. It was very balanced for my skin. Now, given my skin has been pretty oily recently, and I feel like that's why I really love this product. It's a no finish moisturizer, dries down practically immediately, and doesn't give a heavy finish to the skin, which is perfectly defining of what I look for in a gel cream moisturizer. I feel like it also has a great blend of ingredients in here, not only having great hydrators like polyglutamic acid, but the balancing minerals in here made it super beneficial for the skin. One thing that I feel like makes it separate itself from some other gel cream moisturizers on the market is I typically haven't seen a lot of gel creams utilizing solely polyglutamic acid as a primary hydrator ingredient. I feel like that makes this perfect. Obviously, there are so many gel creams that I have tried, and I'm not really going to mention many of those in this video. This is even a little bit more lightweight, but showed more beneficial hydration benefits the longer that I continue to use it, and I feel like that is what really made me enjoy this product so much. And also, it gives a primer smooth finish to the skin, unlike any other gel cream that I remember trying, at least in this moment. It had more of a notable benefit to it with that, and I feel like that was very beneficial. Worked for my acne prone skin, didn't cause any sensitivity, any dryness, and I felt like it was perfectly balanced for my skin in the summer. I definitely think whenever I'm not so oily, it will not be enough as a moisturizer at night for my skin. Sometimes I do layer with more rich milky toners or more hydrating products when I am using this product at night, but it still delivers a wonderful benefit and I really enjoyed my experience with it. So I would 100% recommend trying it. It's a great value as well. You get more than the typical amount in this product for a wonderful price point on typical prequel fashion. So I would 100% recommend trying it. It is a wonderful gel cream, especially if you have really oily skin and you've broken out from some other gel creams. I know some people could be sensitive to hyaluronic acid. There's one thing I like with Prequel's polyglutamic acid line. All of these products complement each other and they highlight solely polyglutamic acid as the main hydrator in. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week and I will see you all in the next review.